Thank you. Okay, I've got X13 open. See what my exterior wall is. Open up. Nah, I don't want 6-inch walls. I haven't fixed my profile plan on this thing yet. We'll just make it siding 4. Well, see, you said vertical siding. Okay. Never mind. Oh, wait a minute. I clicked on the wrong thing. Okay. Nah. You know, all my videos are extemporaneous, so get a clue. Okay, I'm going to go over here to siding vertical and change the default. That's good enough. Okay. So now we'll draw a square. And it's going to make it 20 feet. There we go, nice and square. Now I'm going to draw another room in here. This invisible wall automatically turns on because in preferences, I've got that feature turned on. I think it's under architectural. Maybe not. There it is. Turn on connect Allen rooms when opening. Okay, there it is. Okay, now I'm going to make this mention this thing. Just for greens, I'm going to make it 10 feet. No, that's too big. 5 feet. Okay, I've got a square here. I'm going to take this and center it in my room on both axes. Okay. Now, this is not the only way to do this. This is a way. Okay. So I put this here just as a reference. Now I'm going to go up here and build new floor. Yeah, we'll just derive it from the first floor. Only I turn on the reference display now and snap these second floor walls to the first floor walls. Is that lined up? I guess it is. Okay, so this room I'm going to make open below. And I'm going to make the ceiling height on it. I'm just guessing here. I'm going to make it 60 inches. And I'm just going to go with the default at 9 feet for the floor below. And then the build roofs. That's okay for this demonstration. And there you be. Let's go on the inside and look around. Okay, I need to delete these walls I used as a reference. They have nothing to do with the second or the upper floor. Go back to that camera. Yeah, now there's just a hole in the floor. Kind of similar like what you would have. And then I'm not being very careful here, but that's all right. I'm going to take this group and center it on this wall. Take this group and center it on the other wall. And I'm getting the wall there. We don't need no sinking doors. Because this is a free tutorial. And now the upper floor, I have to do an elevation to figure out that window. Yeah, I don't need it. I can't have it that big. So I'm just going to make it fixed and make it 48. Okay. 42 then. 18. See how that looks. May have to change the height on it now. Okay. That's pretty decent. Especially considering how much I'm being paid for this. Yeah, I think that's about it. That's what I was talking about in the post. That is how I would do it. And of course, the windows could be made larger. Get the tilt camera here. Yeah, there you go. What's hard about that? Now, if there's other parameters that you didn't talk about that, of course, I don't know about, but that's your basic object that you're talking about. Hope this helps you. If it doesn't, well, I gave it a shot. Have a good day.